Seneta wa kaunti ya Kisii Sen Onyonka ikamukira abagavana haso gutekerania emiroberi y'ekirero y'okurikia akori emirimo ukanasamaga cyo yebunge ya seneti mu basorero mo Seneta Onyonka nigaicaniro roboti ro Auditor General kubatikana n'obutumiki bw'ekibesa ase kaunti ya Kisii ukwana chingeke cyo nigo boigo amukiri abagavana abo bagendete kugikira abaseneta asekere nigo bagendete kurigereri meroberi bagendete wikirani ase County.
I have looked at the audited accounts of Kisii County. That is the county that I represent. And some of the things you see in the Kisii County report, they're just astounding as they are shocking. And I know that this is not just happening within Kisii County. Apparently, Mr. Speaker, all governors, once they take over power, they behave the same. And I have been really observing what they do. Number one, they make sure they look for a way to control the members of the county assembly. Number two, they then immediately after they have taken over, come up and they want to change everything about the personnel that was working for that county when the governor who was there before them was there. And that goes into some of them deliberately trying to disband the Public Service Board, some of them doing cross-transferred, even some of the individuals within the county system, whether it's health, whether it's road construction, and even if these people were trained and they received executive training so that they could produce the results were expected, they're immediately transferred because they are not behaving nicely. Mr. Speaker, if you look at all our county governments, none of them has ever done, and I would like to see which one has, and I will give them recommendations for an A. Many of the county governments, close to, out of the 47, close to 40, have never done a biometric registration exercise to know the total number of workers in the county system who are either permanent and pensionable or temporary workers. And some of these, Mr. Speaker, the reason why, and I want to tell my colleagues here, is because many of our colleagues, the governors who are saying how this house is useless and in fact we have no business talking to them, are the ones who have been keeping those lists where they are having the lists manual and they are paying a wage bill of about 40 to 50 million a month. That money is what is the cash cow and is the kitty that is supposed to be utilized to do politics. Mr. Speaker, when you look at the way our governors behave, immediately a governor is elected, the pending bills that existed, they disregard all of them and begin to bring companies that were working, that are owned by their friends, and these companies are the ones that are given work, and as a result, they have thrown away the first in, first out policy which used to be there in government employment and government payments, and right now it is whoever that knows the executive who is paid first.